Hey guys, it's me again with another Amazon tutorial. And today I will teach you how to add money on your Amazon account. First of all, as usual, adding money to your Amazon account is using your debit card or credit card or through reloading your e-gift cards, something like an Amazon wallet or so. So, to begin with, we go to your homepage. You can see that this is your Amazon homepage, and we will go to the top right box. You can see here your account, your name, your Amazon name. Then here you will see a drop box. We press your accounts. After pressing your accounts, you will see a lot of Amazon features here, such as your orders, login and security, Prime, your addresses, and many more. So here we will press your payments. After pressing your payments, you can see here a lot of payment methods. So here we'll press Amazon gift card. So afterwards, we will just click reload your balance. So after reloading your balance, it will direct you to another page. Here, schedule your auto reloading or one-time reload. So let's say that we add $100 to your account. Afterwards, you can put here if it's anything greater than 100. So just 100, say. Then we just press buy now. You can press buy now. So afterwards, after you press buy now, just press setup now. And then after setup now, just pay and that will be good to go. So once again, thank you for choosing us and for watching this Amazon tutorial, and off to the next one.